Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Naveed, and in this lecture I am going to teach you table tool in CorelDRAW X7. Now what is mean of table? For example, you want to show the table. Now for example, you are making certificate of you can say of English language students, and you want to show their speaking marks, listening marks and their marks, so you can use table. Now there are number of usages. It's totally up to you where you want and how you use. Okay, so let's see the usage. So first I have to come in the toolbox, and then I will click on table, and as you can see here, now I'm ready to use table. So the first is that if you go at the top, we can see the rows and columns. Okay, first I create. Okay, now you can see here the columns, rows. So first is rows. This is called rows 1 2 3. So these are called rows, and I'm talking about this. So from top to bottom, this is called columns. So it's asking that how many columns and how many rows do you want. I said I just want 3 rows and 4 columns. So it's totally up to you how many rows and how many columns do you want. Then we have the size of object. I can also adjust the size. So if you want to adjust the size by x-axis and y-axis, so you can adjust the size. Then we have the background color. Let's suppose you are making a table and you want to show, or you want to give the color to your background of your table. What you simply do, just click on this, and here we have colors. Just click on any of the color. Now you can see here our background color has been changed. So whenever we want to change the background color, we simply click on any of the color, and that color will be our table's color. Okay, then we have, for example, if you want to edit fill, means let's suppose, okay, you are saying, okay, this is the color, but I want more than that. I want different color, and I want to make my own color. So if you come here, and you can make your own color. You can see here it's also affecting here. So for example, if you want gradient, any color you want, for example, if you want pattern, anything you want, just click on that. And for example, say this is my color and I want this color, just click on that, and that will be your table's color. Then we have the size of our tag. For example, you can see here the width of outline. So whenever I want to change the width of my outline, I simply go at the top and I will select any of the number. For example, if I want 16, 24 or whatever, let's suppose, totally up to is totally your choice. Then we have the color. For example, talk about, before we learn about the color in the background. So I don't want the background color, I want to change the color of my this outline. Simply select this, and I will go and I will click on any of the color. For example, I say I want to change this color to this color. For example, it's asking the where you want to change your color all your table, or you want to just change the color in just outside, inside, bottom, left. So I say, okay, I just want color to be changed in top. Okay, I didn't select the first, so I will just go and say that top, and color is blue, and okay, so I should change. You can see here the color of my top has been changed. So whenever I want to change the outline color, what I simply do, I will go to the top and I will select any of them, and I will choose my color. Then the last is options. Options mean that automatically resize cells by typing. By the word we understand that, let's suppose if I'm writing any particular row, and let's suppose for example I wrote too much, and the space was less than the right text. So for example, I'm writing, and the text, you can say, is not finished, but the space has been finished. So let's suppose if I say here the automatically resize the cell, so means that is called the cell. So whenever I'm writing too much, so it will automatically resize the cell for me. Then we have separate cells border. So I just demonstrate you what does it mean. So I should delete it, and I will make sure here. Okay, so if you are able to see, so see here, let's suppose if I want to change the spacing, so you can see here the spacing. Are you able to see the spacing? So let's suppose if you want to make a spacing between the cells, so you can use this vertically, horizontally. if you want to change you can see here now the space has been changing. So whenever I want to change the space, I will just simply come here and I will click on horizontal cell spacing or vertical cell spacing. So basically this is all about table tool in CorelDRAW X7. I hope you have understood. For more videos you can come to my website www.daveedpress.com. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah. Inshallah I will meet you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.